Forget every side hustle. That tells you to spend money, to make money. I'm going to show you the exact method I use to earn $360 in 1 week, starting with a grand total of $0. By the end of this video, you'll have a free Upwork profile set up and a solid plan to land your first paying gig, even if you think you have no experience. You want to make real money online, not the fill out a survey for 50 cents kind of money, but money that can actually pay a bill, help your family, or make a real difference in your week. But every time you search online, you hit the same walls. Side hustles that want you to buy a starter kit, invest in products, or learn complicated Facebook ads. And you've probably seen dozens of make money online videos that promise the world, but end up selling a $1,000 course. It's frustrating, and eventually, you start feeling like you need money just to start making money. But what if you could start with $0? What if you could use the skills you already have, yes, even you, and turn them into real income this week? That's where this method comes in. The answer is freelancing, but not in some confusing, overcomplicated way. We're going to use one platform, Upwork, and I'm going to give you a step-by-step blueprint to go from $0 to getting paid online. Freelancing on platforms like Upwork is one of the fastest ways to make money online without any upfront investment, because it connects you with clients who already need help right now. And the best part? It's free to start. This is not some get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-paid-for-your-skills system. First things first, you need an account. Go to Upwork.com and click Sign Up. Make sure you choose I'm a freelancer looking for work. You can sign up using your Google account or your email. And yes, it's completely free. Now, this next part is important. Your profile is basically your online storefront. It's the thing that convinces clients you're the right person for the job. Most beginners either overthink this or they barely put in any effort at all. So here's how to make your profile look professional, even if you don't have formal experience. First, your professional title. Don't just write freelancer. Be specific. Instead of writer, say engaging blog and article writer. Instead of assistant, say efficient virtual assistant for administrative tasks. This instantly tells clients exactly what problem you solve. Second, your profile photo. No logos, no blurry selfies, and definitely no old pictures from 10 years ago. Use a clear, friendly, professional-looking photo. It sounds simple, but trust me, it builds a lot of trust. Third, your overview or bio. This is your first impression. Don't just list random skills. Talk about what the client needs. And listen carefully. You probably have more skills than you think. Have you ever organized a family event? That's project management. Are you the friend people ask to proofread emails? That's editing experience. Those are real skills. A great opening line could be, although I'm new to Upwork, I'm a dedicated and professional freelancer committed to delivering high-quality work on time. Simple, honest, confident. Then mention a few services you can offer, like data entry, transcription, social media help, or research. Next, add your skills. Upwork lets you add up to 15 skills. Don't lie. But don't underestimate yourself either. Think about software you already know, like Microsoft Word, Google Docs, or Canva. And think about tasks you're already good at: typing, research, scheduling, organization. Clients search for these exact skills every single day. Now let's talk about your rate. When you're brand new, you want to stay competitive. A good beginner range is usually $15 to $25 per hour. And once you start getting reviews, raise your rates. Absolutely raise them. All right, now your profile is ready. Time to find work. And this is where most beginners mess up. They see thousands of jobs and apply to everything. That is a huge mistake. You need to be strategic. Inside the Upwork search bar, don't type something generic like writing job. Use the filters. Here's the smart way to find beginner-friendly gigs. First, filter for entry level. That shows jobs where clients expect beginners. Second, filter for payment verified. Always do this. It protects you from scams. Third, filter for posted in the last 24 hours. New jobs have fewer proposals, which means less competition. And here's a hidden trick. Look for jobs with only 5 to 15 proposals. Once a job has 50+ proposals, your chances drop fast. Now, what kind of jobs should you target? Focus on simple, beginner-friendly tasks. For example, data entry. These can pay $20 to $50 for just a couple hours of work. Transcription. If you're a decent typist, you can earn $30 to $100 per project. Virtual assistants. Simple tasks like scheduling, email management, or organization can pay $15 to $30 per hour. And simple writing or proofreading jobs? Those can easily pay over $100, even for beginners. Your goal is simple. Land 3 to 6 smaller gigs. That's it. 2 $40 data entry jobs and 1 decent writing project. And suddenly, you're at $360. And hey, if this video is helping you and you want real strategies to make money online, hit that subscribe button. I post videos like this every single week to help beginners start earning online. Now let's talk about the most important part, winning the client. Because finding a job is one thing, getting hired is another. Your proposal is your one shot to stand out. And whatever you do, do not copy-paste generic messages. Clients can spot those instantly. A winning proposal only needs 3 parts. First, the hook. Your first 2 sentences matter the most, because clients usually only preview the beginning. So don't say, "Dear hiring manager." That sounds robotic. Instead, talk directly about their project. For example, if someone needs a podcast transcript, you could say, "I can deliver an accurate and well-formatted transcript of your 30-minute podcast episode within 24 hours. I noticed your audio includes background noise, and I have experience working with unclear recordings." See the difference? It instantly proves you actually read their job post. Second, the body. Keep it short. Connect your skills directly to their problem. Even personal experience counts. For example, I recently organized and transcribed interview notes for a university research project with high accuracy. Simple, relevant, professional. Third, the call to action. Don't end with, "I look forward to hearing from you." That's boring. Instead, say, "I'm available to start immediately. Do you have any questions about my process or timeline?" That encourages the client to respond. And yes, Upwork gives beginners free connects. Use them wisely. Don't spam applications everywhere. Apply only to jobs that actually match your skills. Now for the best part, getting paid. Upwork actually makes this process really secure. For fixed-price jobs, the client deposits money into escrow before the project starts. That means the money is already there waiting for you. Once you complete the work and the client approves it, the funds get released to your account. For hourly jobs, you log your hours and get paid weekly. And once the money reaches your Upwork account, you can withdraw it directly to your bank, PayPal, or other payment methods. In the United States, ACH bank transfers are usually free. Simple, secure, professional. So let's quickly recap. Build a strong Upwork profile. Find beginner-friendly gigs with low competition. Write proposals that actually stand out. And get paid securely through Upwork. Listen carefully. The difference between people who want to make money online and people who actually do it is action. You already have skills. The platform is free, and this blueprint works. Making $360 in 1 week is ambitious, but absolutely possible. You just have to start. So after this video, open Upwork, build your profile, and send your first proposal today. And if you want to learn the best beginner skills to sell online, watch my next video, the top 5 easiest skills to sell on Upwork in 2026. Thanks for watching, and go get your first gig.